What's going on, everybody? JP here from Summer Love and Jeep, and welcome to another video. Today's going to be just a quick video. The last video in the overview of my Jeep build, I said I was going to change out the steering stabilizer. So I actually have that, and I'm going to be doing that today. So it should be rather quick install. It's a Bilstein 5100 steering stabilizer. So let's take a little peek of it, and then we're going to go over to the Jeep and pop it on in. Alright, here we go. Alright, here it is. It's just pretty simple. It's just your good old Bilstein shocks, and just going to pop this right into the Jeep in the steering stabilizer spot, and hopefully that'll take care of the little bit of steering shimmy that I got going on, and we'll test it out. Alright, so let's go over to the Jeep. Alright, so I'm all set up. I just got to remove this one bolt and this bolt over here, and then we'll swap this in. So this is the one that came with the AV lift kit. And then I'm just going to double check my measurement, because this is supposed to be 19 1/4 to the center of this post from here. So I'm just going to double check that, make sure nothing shifted. Yep, and we're still good. Alright, so you can see, pretty simple. I'm just going to torque it down. Alright, so I just double checked to make sure I was right, but AV recommends 50 foot-pounds for this nut and this nut here, so that's what we're going to torque it down to. Good. Alright, so those are done. Let's give it a test drive. so definitely feels a little better. I don't feel like the shimmy in my steering wheel shaking a little bit, so yeah, I think it's definitely an improvement. So, alright, so that was a pretty simple change out. It's kind of silly that it has to be done, but I guess, yeah. Alright, so that's it. That was a pretty simple install modification for the steering stabilizer. So, as I said while I was driving back to the house on that quick test drive, it's kind of silly that you got to change that out. So I'm gonna maybe see how it does off-roading and driving longer distances back and forth from work. But overall, that was like maybe 0.5 on the hardness scale out of 5. That was really easy. So just make sure you torque down the bolts and then you're good. Alright, that's all I got. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Hit that bell down there that lets you know we got some new videos popping on the channel, and hit that subscribe, follow along, help the channel grow. And I got some more stuff coming along for the Jeep, and we got some big update on kind of like family stuff, where we might be heading with this Jeep and something else coming up. Maybe on a video this weekend we'll show you what we're looking at. It's kind of crazy. Alright, thanks again. Have a great Tuesday.